What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you 3 tips on how to make money online with your fitness business in 2019.
Working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day.
So this came up because I'm working with a girl named Ashley. We're launching one of her products, and she right now makes all of her money doing local boot camps and things like that, which is nice. It's admirable. It's amazing. I love it, but it's not scalable, right? How many people can you put in a boot camp locally and then that's just you? It's hard. If you really want your business to scale, there's a few different ways you can do it, and today I'm going to show you 3 tips on how to make that money online in 2019. So listen, subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be updated to all the new videos that we post every single week. Tip number 1, which is my favorite, is you can sell a digital product. You can sell a course. It's one of the things we're doing with Ashley. We've done it with a bunch of different people. We've been able to make over 8 figures in just selling digital courses with trainers and things like that. The biggest thing there is you want to sell your methodology. You want to sell a system, a process. You want to make that lower ticket, meaning in the $37 to $100 range, but you're going to go for volume, okay? Run ads on Facebook and be able to kind of still be profitable. Now, it's okay if you're not massively profitable because you're acquiring the customer, you're building a relationship with this person, and then you can consistently move them into the one-to-many. You're able to scale more revenue. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, you got to stop doing one-to-one. You got to move into one-to-many. One-to-many can be any kind of coaching, building out a method, and then you just have a lot of people on Zoom calls, on Skype calls, on Voxer, different things where you are having a conversation with many people at once, but you're charging them consistent revenue. So you're building up your recurring, you're spending less times hour-wise. Now, let me know in the comments if you think this makes sense, if you have created a digital course product, or if you're doing one-to-many and how that's working out. I'm happy to answer in the comments, have conversations with you guys, and help guide you guys to make sure that you're doing things right. Number 3, the easiest way to make money is by building a membership. And I see a lot of people building apps, doing all that kind of stuff. Now, you don't have to get started there. It is not a necessity. We don't even have apps for a lot of the coaches and clients and things like that that we serve. We just do it through communities. You can do it nowadays through Facebook communities. You can do it through Slack, which is an app. It's another community. There's a lot of different communities out there. There's a lot of video services where you can put all your content in there, and it's a great upsell to the second part that I was mentioning, which is basically doing a digital course, and then you get into the continuity. And inside of the membership, you can give people training advice on how to eat, on how to sleep better, how to hydrate, how to consistently do those day-to-day things. Also get to know you a little bit more, because when people get to know you, like you, trust you, you build that bond, you're building community, you're building consistency. This increases your lifetime value, and people aren't gonna go anywhere. You're also in consistent communication with these people, so you know what's wrong and how to address those issues, or what's wrong and how to potentially move them back into a more expensive one-to-many scenario. So that is the easiest 3 tips to build and make money online with your fitness business in 2019. If you guys want to see more of this stuff, just comment below. As always, subscribe, join the notifications, and make sure that you join our community on Facebook, where we talk about this, ad strategy, and all kinds of things to scale your business in 2019. Join us there, and I will see you guys on the next video.